The devil whispered, "You cannot withstand the storm." The warrior replied, "I am the storm."
Started as a cloud, but the road of fear. When we'll start to build up, now the lightning's here. I am the storm. I am the storm. I am the storm. Of the hurricane, all the hurt and pain, the one they can't predict is building rain. I am the storm. I am the storm. I am the storm. An underestimated fella, hard to forecast with the weather. The day started out with clear skies. They didn't think they would need an umbrella. The odds were 1,000,000 to 1 to fully form. One drop turned into 2, still us no alarm. You would be surprised what a dedicated mind can overcome. Didn't matter where I was from, I was gonna be the one to transcend, eclipse the sun. A mass gale winds from a breeze that's begun. No guarantees, but the category 5 always builds from 1. The small signs right before the storm. Started as a cloud, but the road of fear. When we'll start to build up, now the lightning's here. I am the storm. I am the storm. I am the storm. Of the hurricane, all the hurt and pain, the one they can't predict is building rain. I am the storm. I am the storm. I am the storm. I heard the phrase, when it rains, it pours. Let it come, I will suffer no more. No more. I control my life now, I control my lifestyle. Mountains on my shoulders feel like a light pound. I've become immune to the ordeal. Ideal is rage bait, preying on